Hey, Guru Nation, welcome back to the Clinical Trials Guru. This is Dan Sfera. I'm interviewing, as you can see right there, Clovis. The true fans of the show are going to recognize him and his wife. When we did an interview with both of them, they are the first husband and wife couple to join our CRA Academy. They were in the February 2017 class.
Yeah, that's right.
And here we are in August. They came to California, did the internship, then they went back to Maryland. We did that video with them, and Clovis got hired as a. What'd you get hired as?
Trial Master File Specialist.
Ah, very good. So you haven't officially started yet, is that correct?
That's correct. We're doing background check, so but I'm all cleared and good to go.
And what was your expectation of that job? First of all, how many jobs did you have to apply to even get to this situation?
I applied to over 80 jobs before I got this one.
That's good. That's not even that many. Some people are like at 200 and they still haven't gotten one. So you've must be something on your CV. Now, just give everyone some background. What was your educational background from your resume?
I have a biochemistry bachelor's degree, and what actually stood out from what the interview said was my background in IT, because I actually had an IT background when I came to America. I work as a database administrator,
Ah, okay.
so that was another thing that stood out in the resume. Plus the mention of DSCS with equity that I'd worked there, so
Okay.
that was the thing, yeah.
What did they think about that?
Well, they were pretty much impressed about it, and with all my reference checks and everything was good. I mean, the interview wasn't like really much of an interview because they were talking to me like I was already a professional, and
Mm,
most of the things that they asked about the job that I was currently doing, I was able to actually clarify myself because I had the experience because I actually went down to California and I had hands-on experience with every aspect
mm.
of a research associate. So it was actually easy for me to articulate everything that was expected of me.
Did you tell them about Intralinks?
Excuse me?
Did you tell them about Intralinks at all?
Um, Not really. I didn't tell them about that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting. So, do you think, and you could be honest, do you feel like do you think you could have done it without the academy? Get this job?
Oh no. Like I said earlier before, I actually attended a different school and I tried to get in, but I could not. And the greatest thing that actually hindered me before was actually the reference check, because I actually had one offer previously, but I could not go through the background check because I didn't have good references.
Mm,
Yeah, so
okay.
I think it was easier for me this time because I had the references. I actually had the experience as well. So things were
Okay.
different. Yeah.
Very good. So as far as trial master file specialist, because everybody, Clovis, when they join my academy, or before they join, they all say I want to be a CRA because they don't know anything else, right? And then
Right.
they do the internship, and then you learn about all these other jobs, like your wife, right? She wanted to then own a research site, and
That's
she didn't
right.
even know it till she came here. And I'll ask you about that also, by the way. But so trial master file specialist, like, did you have you ever heard of this prior to applying?
To be honest, before I joined the CRA Academy, I knew I could only like apply for the CRA position. I never knew I could even do a CRC, a clinical research coordinator, or any other like a clinical data specialist as well.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know about those. I knew only about CRAs.
Right.
But when I came to the clinical research, to clinical guru, you guys actually pointed out that when we start applying for jobs, we should not limit ourselves to the clinical research associate position.
Right.
a whole wide majority of jobs out there in the research field. And when we come out of the academy, we will be open to apply to all those positions, and whichever comes our way, we shouldn't hesitate to take it. And we should not pay focus on how much they're offering, but we should pay focus on what experience we're going to gain when we get out there in the field. That later on, the monetary item is going to come into play, but for right now, we should think about how to get in the field and how to get the required experience that is needed to succeed in the field.
Just get in. I mean, this is the Clovis, the biggest secret of all of this. The Academy, the Guru video, everything. Here's the biggest secret. You can do it for free. You don't need my Academy. You can watch all the videos. It's just going to take a lot more time and work on your end. If you do go the CRA Academy route, we're pouring gasoline on the fire. But the biggest secret of all this is you could learn what a trial master file specialist is. You can have done all this for free. So it's just a matter of applying yourself. And for some people, it's the convenience of, well, let us do the hard work for you. Let us pour gasoline on the fire, point you in the right direction. But don't just limit yourself to CRA, because that's like trying to get a job in the NBA if you want to be a basketball player. Like, without going to the developmental league or minor leagues. Like, yeah, you could do it. You could either be very good or very lucky or very tall or very whatever they're looking for, but it's unlikely and you're limiting yourself. If you want to play basketball, period, get in, get experience, and then work your way up. Same thing with CRA. I mean, everyone wants to be a CRA because Forbes has it as the number one profession on their articles every year almost. That, like, clinical research associates top three every year. And so everyone wants to do that, but then they don't realize there's trial master file specialist, there's CTA, there's study coordinator, there's regulatory, there's so many jobs, right? You can go to Indeed.com, just search clinical research, and you'll see, like, 20, 25 different kind of jobs. So that's something very important people need to understand. So good luck, Clovis, going forward.
Thank you so much.
Congrats. How
Yeah.
many interviews did you have to get that one job? Like, total from all companies. How many interviews did you get?
Actually, this was my first technical interview.
Ah, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So I actually spoke with a couple of recruiters, but I never got a technical interview. This was my first technical interview.
And was it in person or on Skype like we're doing now?
I actually had a phone call and then an in-person. A phone call, I was interviewed by 3 people, and in person by 3 people as well.
Okay, okay. Good luck. Definitely keep in touch with me. Let me know how things are going. If you ever have questions related to work, reach out to me. I'll be able to hopefully help you out. How's the wife doing? I know, has she made progress on the opening her own clinic?
She's still, actually, the thing is, we're trying to get, a little bit of, get ready financially a little bit, and she's still working on the end of getting a doctor. So it's still in the process, but
It's a long
that's-
process.
yeah, yeah. To-
It's a long
But
process. Anytime, have her reach out to me anytime, alright, me and Chris. It's good to see that everyone's staying busy and you guys are doing well. And congratulations, Clovis. That's a big first step. And good luck.
thank you so much.
And reach out anytime, and we'll be sure to get back to you ASAP.
Okay.
Alright? Take care,
All right.
everybody. And, oh, there you go. Little daughter there.
Yeah.
Future CRA? Future PI.
Company.
She said CRA.
Hey, start 'em young, Clovis. That's good.
Okay.
All right. Thanks so much, Dan.
All right, you guys take care. Okay, have a good day.
You the same. Bye bye.
All right, bye bye.